So all these verses the attitude, the thought process and activity of well qualified demon is described. Hiraṇyākṣo anujastasya priya priti krit anavaham. So it is mentioned that Prabhupada is writing the Purport. The demons, they train their family members also. Like Hiraṇyākṣa also wanted to train Prahlad Maharaj. So the demonic spirit is to train all family members to exploit the resources of this universe for personal sense gratification. They have only one aim: how to gratify the senses. And they want to become center of attraction. They want to give trouble to the others. They want to boast over others. So these are the some of the qualities of demons. They themselves are demon, they want to train. Like in Kali Yuga, the population is very fallen, there's no doubt about it. And parents, even they want their children to follow their path. Andha yathande upniyamana. Nate vidu swat katam vishnu durasaya e pail arthaman andha thande upniyamana. So, actually, not knowing the purpose of existence, the purpose of human life, they want to squeeze out the personal sense gratification as much as possible. Like Rishabh Dev also says, Nayam Dev bhajam loke kastam kamam arhate bitbhujane. They go through a lot of hardship, even for any material power to acquire. Like Hiraṇyākṣipu, he went to very severe austerities. The description is given further, we'll be seeing the further chapters. Such a great austerities. Standing, raising his hand, seeing the sky, standing on the toes, stopping the breathing even, for not for 5, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 day, 2 days. Thousands of years. So, Prabhupada says in Kali Yuga, people do hardship, but there's only one goal: to enjoy sense gratification. Nayam dev bhajam loke kastam kamam arhate bhujane. And what is their enjoyment in Kali Yuga? Even in the beginning of second canto, Sukadeva Goswami mentioned, what is the enjoyment? Daytime, kutumba bharena, arranging for money, getting resources, acquiring. And night time, sleeping and enjoying the sex life. Daytime, eating and arranging, and night time, sleeping, that's their enjoyment. So Rishabh is saying, Nayam Dev Dev Bhajam Loki Kastam Kamam Arhate Vidvajani Tapo Divyam Putraka En Sattvam Tasmat Brahma Sukha. The heart says they work hard. For what benefit? Working hard. So Rishabh saying for their benefit is for sense gratification. So Prabhupada says, they're eating and having sex. And Prabhupada writes in the purport of that, they want to eat and become fatty. And this, a lot of people are now becoming like a balloon, no? You can just put in we go receive you. So they want to eat nicely. And they want to have sex. Because don't compete with hawks, pigs. When they say they are competing like hawks, no, they eat hot. They eat and become very fatty. And for what purpose fatty? For the sex life. So don't compete. You cannot compete with them. How much you can eat? 2, 4, 6 chapati, 8 chapati. And how much sex you can do? They can produce 1 cricket team at a time. You 1, 2, 3 maximum. So people are mad after sense gratification. And how they are destroying themselves. Bhagavad Gita says in the 3rd chapter, in the last verses, urge for sense, self-realization, get killed by excessive sense gratification. जो आत्म साक्षरता का जो अर्ज है, otherwise when you speak to the people in general outside, what is the need? Let's enjoy and eat. Unnecessary. Prabhuji, Swamiji, you take travel. Nice, enjoy, life is so nice. So for urge to know what is what I am, what is this world, that self get killed. And they train their family members, all family members for the writing. Not 1, 2. Everyone they want train. In one is exception also they don't tolerate. One boy is joining, let's think all are getting demons. At least one becoming good, they will not tolerate. So they train all family members for their personal sense gratification. And Hiraṇyākṣipu was himself very powerful, and he made his younger brother Hiraṇyākṣa also powerful to assist in his fighting with everyone. Or they want to fight with everyone. Also a little disagreement here and there. Little here and this happens, they start fighting. Not only mouth, the hands and legs, they start. So we are going somewhere nearby here. One car got touched to another car, touched only little. He came out and he slapped another person. So this fighting is very, the whole Kali Yuga. Hypocrisy and fight. Kalha. So, and the fighting with everyone and lording over the material nature as long as possible. So they want to extend their life for their sense gratification. They want to stop. Okay, whole life you have done 50, 60 years, 70. Don't. You still want to continue. Few days back I met one person. He is very extensively rich. and his age is now 94. And still he want to do a lot of planning is done how to enjoy or extend his. So the Prabhupada says, body may become old, friend, but the spirit of enjoyment remains always fresh. Body may not work because of the nature's law, but the spirit to enjoy does not get. If possible, he wanted to rule the universe eternally. So that was the desire, the Hiraṇyākṣa. Not eternally they want to rule. That to not little, okay, one planet, whole universe. So these are the demonstration of a spirit of demonic living entity. Then further it says, Hiraṇyākṣa's temper was difficult to control. They cannot control their anger. Because they want to achieve everything, but they will not, it's not every time they'll get all the things. And they want to decorate themselves very beautifully. No? The anklets, the gold, beautiful garland, gigantic garland. And also they want to prove the actual beauty is devotion to Krishna. Bhagavat bhakti hinasya jati sastram japa tapa apranashti hi deyasya ranjanan loka ranjanam. So without bhakti, Bhagavat bhakti hinasya, your extraordinary jati, sastram, japa, tapa, even your austerities, reciting some scriptures is something like apranashrihi dehasya ranjanan loka ranjanam, decoration of a dead body. Yesterday night, we had gone to some music concert, for certain purpose. So, in that music concert, something is doing. I think he only knows what he is doing. And more than 10,000, all men, 90% youngsters, they all sitting there clapping, roaring. What a beautiful thing. So materially it may be good, whatever. But it says Bhagavat bhakti hinasya jati sastram japa tapa apranashti deyasya. Any material qualification, whatever great level it may be, this all are like a decoration of a dead body if that is not being used service to Krishna. And actually these are the demons. Actually, the Isa, Vashyam, Vedam, everything belongs to Krishna. He is a real proprietor owner. And if we use anything, maybe we may have some skills, but that skills also has come from Krishna. Now Arjuna said, I am the same Gandiva, same Arjuna. I fought so diligently. I killed like Maharati, like Dronacharya, Bhishma. But I am same when the Lord is not there. Then he was defeated by simply some village robbers. They came and defeated. Now he was protecting the queens of Krishna when Krishna disappeared. He was defeated by simple village men. So we may have some power, we may have some skill, we may have something, but that all as given by the Lord, we always should remember. And if we do not use to service to the Lord, they will be withdrawn very soon. Or sometimes they will become our own cause for our suffering. Like Prabhupada mentioned in the Krishna book, when Krishna took birth in the prison house of Kansa, then Krishna ordered to Vasudeva to take me and exchange me from the child of Yashoda. And the very same time when Krishna took the birth, the very same time Yashoda Maya also gave birth to the twins. Now there were twins were there. One Krishna and one Yogmaya. That's the reason they were the brother and sister Yogmaya. And Vasudevji came and exchanged with the Krishna with the Yogmaya. And he took and then he went back. He put that girl Yogmaya in the lap of Devaki. So she was Yogmaya as long as she was with Yashoda, and she was with Vasudeva, and she was with Devaki. But when the Kansa comes, then he got to know, and he wanted to kill. He snatches the child from the hand and the lap of Devaki. So Prabhupada writes in that context, she was Yogmaya as long as she was with devotees. But as soon as Kansa touches or snatches, the very same Yogmaya becomes Mahamaya. So Prabhupada writes there, the money called Lakshmi. So she is Lakshmi if she is the hands of devotees. Because devotee will use only service to Krishna, Lakshmi. But the same money takes the form of a Durga. If it is, they are the sense gratifier. They want to enjoy for their sense gratification. And Durga will kill all the demons. They are not that same money will become their cause for the destruction. But the Lakshmi, they cannot touch the demons. Or she takes, like Ramana came to kidnap Mother Sita, but he could not touch. He only touched the Maya Sita. So the Asuras are very expert, and the very existence of Lord they deny, and they do not know how to lead a life. Parvattim cha nirvittim cha janana vidur asuraha na socham napi chacharo na satyam tesu vidyate. So in the Bhagavad Gita, in the 16th chapter, the qualities of demons. Those who are demoniac do not know what is to be done and what is not to be done. So devotee, the very first we should know what I should do, what I should not do. So unless we read, unless we hear Prabhupada, we will not know what is right, what is wrong. Neither cleanliness nor proper behavior, nor truth is found in them. So they will be untruthful. They are not. And asatyam apratisthamte jagat ahur anishwaram aparaspar sambhutam kim anyat kam ahetukam. Last time also we discussed. Asatyam, they say this world is asatya. Apratishtham, there is no real foundation. Now when you ask why this world is come, it has come just like that. So asatyam, apratishtham, and anishwam, there is no God, no controller. Then why we have come? Kam ahetukam. Ahetukam bhakti, there. Ahetukam kam. Only one ayat. Just anyat kim anyat kam ahetukam. So they say this world is unreal, with no foundation, no God in control. They say it is produced of sex desire and has no cause other than lust to enjoy. The demoniac conclude that the world is phantasmagoria. There's no cause and effect, no controller, no purpose. Everything is real. But they are expert to enjoy. Even so, they say all unreal, but they want to enjoy. So here we see the Hiraṇyākṣa. He was not satisfied just terroring or fearing the human being. Even the animals were afraid of him. He dived into the ocean, and somehow both in हाथ में खुजली हो रही थी. He wanted to fight with someone. He was not getting. So he went to the Vivavari, Varuna, the water god, you can say. So, and he said, I want to fight with you. And he's begging, falling in the feet, and please fight with me. So there are people there, and so Vivavari here directing him. He said, I become old, I cannot fight. The proper combat for you fight is Lord Hari. If you fight with him, that will be your last fight. No more fighting will not be. So he was directed in the right place by the Varuna. And we will see how the more incarnation has come. And we must know any form of the Lord is all transcendental. Even though he comes in the form of a boar, he may come in the form of tortoise, he will come in the form of a fish. All the forms of the Lord, they are the transcendental form. They are not the boar of this material world. Similarly, when the Lord appears as a human being, he is a transcendental form. It's not like us. He may look like us, but it's not like us. How this Hiraṇyākṣa, being very proud of this thing, how he was killed by Barahadeva when he comes. So we'll be looking for it. So I will stop here. Grantharaj Srimad Bhagavatam Ki Jagat Guru Shukopad Nitaya Go Prem